Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Face Unlock not working on your Google Pixel 10 Pro. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to re-enroll the face. So open settings, now scroll down until you see security and privacy. Now here, go over and press on the device unlock, scroll down to face, and of course enter your password. We're gonna remove the old face, we're gonna click add face, and before we go over, I would recommend getting your front camera swiped with the microfiber cloth so you can get rid of any debris and etc. Now let me just get this part too. We're gonna start off, and now we're gonna click I agree, click start, and now I need to look into the camera. Tells me to look up and tilt my head down. As you guys can see, looks good. And now when you pick up your phone or tap the screen, you can use your face to unlock. So we're gonna check it out. Let me just quickly make myself visible to the camera. And I don't think that it's working. Of course, I want to check if I have it enabled to unlock my phone. It is, but sometimes, as you guys can see, it just doesn't catch it. Now it catched it. As you guys can see, face not recognized, but now it unlocked our phone. And the fingerprint sensor is right here. I'm not touching anything. I'm just looking into the camera. And let me try it again. As you guys can see, we unlocked it. So the face unlock here is a little bit faulty for me, but if you can set it up better in a better lighting conditions, then you will have it and it will work. So that's how you guys can fix it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.